Hey guys, today I want to give you some tips on how to make your old fireplace look new again. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we have a fireplace area that we just renovated. This is the original fireplace unit that was in there, and it was in a different configuration originally. It had a half height chase. It was mounted a bit higher off the floor. So the client wanted to modernize the look here. So we built a complete chase bump out, not very deep. But we also moved the fireplace down to floor level. We added a hearth below, and we have a new, more modern tile finish in this area. We have a custom mantle. Actually, the client built it in this case. And then also we've mounted this television above, and there's a raceway inside to hide the wiring and keep everything nice and clean. So you might not necessarily need to replace your fireplace unit. Maybe it's just a matter of reconfiguring the chase and updating the finish around it. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great day.